Hello, my name's Mel Marginet and I work at Green Action Center, and today I'm gonna go grocery shopping on my bicycle. So to prepare for this trip, what I'm bringing with me during this time, I have a face mask that I'm gonna wear into the grocery store. I got this locally made from Leonard Taylor. And then I also have some produce bags, so you can use these little stretchy bags. You can also get these thicker, larger bags if you want to get something like soup mix or flour. And then what I have on my bicycle is I have a back rack. So this is really handy to hook up my pannier to. And it also has this strap. So if I have something that's a little bit more bulky, I can strap it right to the back rack. And then what I also got for this bicycle is a front rack. So this hooks up just with Velcro. It's super easy to use. And then this front basket just simply locks to the front, so I can take it with me grocery shopping, and then I can bring it out fully loaded and just hook it up to my bike. All right, we're ready to go. All right, so I finished my grocery shopping. What I've done is I've put most of my groceries into this basket, and then I've put my heavier groceries into my pannier because that kind of goes on the back of the bike, so I find it's just a little bit more balanced when I'm cycling. So that's onto my rack, and then I just pop this on. So now my groceries are all packed up on my bicycle, and I'm ready to hit the road.